Dear students, a very beautiful good morning to you all. I am Sukhvinder Kaur from Dipstanda. Students, William Wordsworth is a romantic age poet. Romance here means his love towards the nature that he shows in most of his poems. In this poem, the poet talks about the beauty that is around us. Let's appreciate the wonderful world we live in. So, today the poem that I bring to you is titled Upon Westminster Bridge. The poet with his sister is passing through London and it's early morning and sees Westminster Bridge, and the scene is so beautiful, the nature and the way the city sits at the moment and the way the bridge spans the river Thames. He is thrilled to write a poetry about it. This particular piece of poem is a sonnet, which means it has 14 lines having 8 to 10 syllables in each line. This sonnet is devoted to City of London and the River Thames and also the Westminster Bridge. Earth has no and not anything to show more fair. Dull would he be of soul who could pass by, a sight so touching in its majesty. The poet says that is there anything more beautiful than looking at Westminster Bridge and the River Thames? And he says no. The earth does not has anything more beautiful than this sight. If someone passes by from here and does not stop to appreciate what he or she see in front of their eyes, then the person is really very dull because he or she is not able to see there is unmatched beauty in front of their eyes. This city now doth like a garment wear the beauty of the morning, silent, bare. Ships, towers, domes, theatres, and the temples lie upon open unto the fields and to the sky. Here the poet says that the city at the moment wearing the beauty of the morning, like we wear clothes. The beauty of the morning is all upon the city that the city seems to be wearing. If we look at the city early in the morning, it seems that the entire city is wearing a beautiful garment of silence, the garment of silence, the beautiful garment of cool breeze, or the garment of soft sun rays as the sun just begin to rise at the horizon. So the poet is seeing the entire city, whether the ships, towers, domes, theatres, and temples, and the stretching fields from the river Thames and the sky, they all look shining brilliantly and clear as the air is fresh and without smoke. Never did sun more beautifully steep in his first splendor, valley, rock, or hill. Here the poet says that the sun just about is the sun which is just about coming from the horizon and the shines upon the city. No valley, rock, or hill looks so beautiful as the London city is shining now in its full glory. Never saw I, never felt a calm so deep, the river glide at his own sweet will. Dear God, the very houses seem asleep, and all that mighty heart is lying still. So, students, here the poet says that he never saw such a calm and never felt so happy looking at this tranquil of peace, and it brings happiness to him. The river Thames is flowing without violence, but it is flowing softly and smoothly underneath the bridge. He says, Dear God, it seems that the houses are sleeping, and the mighty heart of London, the city London, which continues to beat even when the city is sleeping. Students, the rhyming scheme of the poem is A B B A, B A A B, C D C D, and C D. The explanation of the poem is completed. So, students, keep smiling and stay safe. Thank you.